Now I'm with Sarah. Sarah told me that she was
A pre-med?
pre-med.
Yeah.
And I said, I'm a professional dishwasher. So she has a choice of pre-med or hanging out with a professional dishwasher. And the other side of it, we are going to do another video today about kidneys. So in my mind, I put God's food, God's garden, God's body, God's law. So what do you think about pre-med and God's food, God's garden, God's body, God's law, and being a dishwasher?
That God knows what's up, not doctors as much. Like it's about the food. The food's perfect. The prescriptions are imperfect.
Wow. And right now you're going to wash dishes, right?
Yeah, I'm washing dishes. Yeah.
So this is our first video. I think every time you're here, you do a couple of videos, right?
Yeah.
And then
absolutely.
right now we're working on my book, right? My new book.
That's right. That's right.
It's an inspirational book, right?
Yeah, it's got 31 days of inspiration.
And then we'll do some recipes and some little Chinese medicine, little this and little that from a dishwasher. The question is, who do you believe? Do not believe me. There's an infinite wisdom within us that is very underrated. Take note of everything that you do, everything you say. It's by act of God. He knows what's up.
That's right.
You want to say anything else?
Rock and roll and
Bye.